Hi, can everyone hear me? Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
All right, let's start
We
already.
can hear.
Thank you. Welcome, everyone. And you can see my screen.
Yes.
All right. So let's start. Thank you all for being here today. Hello, everyone. You are welcome to our live webinar, Learn Forex Trading in 1 day. Today, we'll be talking about how to go from a beginner to an expert trader and earn $300 to $500 monthly from Forex. Alright. Yes, it may sound weird, but I'm going to explain the full process to you and provide everything you need to know. I will advise us to sit calmly, turn off distractions, get our paper and pen, and jot down some important information I'm about to dish out. This class is maximum of 1 hour. You may not even use up to that time, so shut off anything that will make you not pay attention in this class. So first off, introduction, I would like to introduce myself properly as many of you don't know me. Hello everyone, my name is Benny Gold, but a few people who I know personally call me Nena. I'm happy to introduce myself as a multifaceted professional in the fields of forex trading, marketing, and executive assistance. With over 2 years of experience in forex trading, I bring a wealth of knowledge to the table, coupled with a strong eye for marketing ideas and an ability to provide top notch executive assistance. All right, Benny is a variant of my name, Benedicta. So that's where that comes from. So I have to be accepting people in this meeting. Oh, I hope people don't mind. So let me tell you a little story about me. When I say I am a multifaceted professional in the fields of forex trading, marketing, and executive assistance, I want to use these four pictures to explain my career background. Can you all see these photos on the screen and the years written under them? All right, please type yes or just say yes or something so I know you guys are following. Hello? I hope you guys can hear me.
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
All right, thank you. So these pictures and the year written under them describe the position I was in when I took them. In the first picture of 2020, I was just a copper working a 9 to 5 job and earning 50,000 naira. Although the working conditions were conducive, I knew I wanted to earn more money for myself. In the second picture, I had just finished NYSC and was fresh into the labor market. I applied for a sales job and got employed. Hello, is it better now?
I can't hear everything that you're saying. Network is breaking.
Let me check. I'm connected. Please mute your mic so that I don't hear myself echoing. All right, so where was I? I was saying that in 2020, I was just a youth copper working a 9 to 5 job and earning 50,000 naira. Although the working conditions were conducive, I knew I wanted to earn more money for myself. In the second picture, I had just finished NYSC and was fresh into the labor market. I applied for a sales job and got employed and was earning 30,000 naira. From my story, you can see that there was a downgrade in salary. I worked in that job for 5 months and resigned because it was stressful. Then the third picture was in 2023. Now I omitted 2022 picture because I remember back then I was seriously into freelancing. Yes, I was seriously into freelancing back then and I was trying to build my portfolio. In this slide is a screenshot of my Fiverr account where I was selling some of my skills. If you look here, you can see this is me. This is my name, Nana B from Nigeria. Member since November 2021. Last delivery was 5 months ago. All right. This was after I had been unemployed for so long and trying to find my own way in life. If I see here 5 months ago, if I was can I be making constant income from this thing? Like it's very competitive and you can't rely on one income or one source of income. Okay. One day, let's go back to the pictures. Then one day I was just randomly scrolling through Twitter and I saw a tweet about forex trading. The tweet was from a reputable follower and I just knew it was time for me to finally learn this forex that I've been hearing about since. It was difficult, but I started anyway. I met very nice people who had my hand and guided me through the process, and those people have become my mentors. In 2023 picture here, um, got a job as an executive assistant to the CEO of an event and entertainment management company, and started investing part of my income into the forex markets and doubling my salary. In 2024, this is me enjoying some quality time with my family and making hundreds of dollars from forex trading. Now, in this chapter of my life, I can say that forex has really changed my life, and I'm convinced that this system can change my life for the better, then it can definitely change yours too. Now, let's dive into why we're really here today. So, have you been looking for a legitimate way to increase your income and savings? If yes, then I have a good news for you. Imagine making $500 monthly from the forex market without having to learn forex trading. Isn't that an amazing opportunity? So, I know it may sound interesting to some of you, but going forward, I'm going to explain what this means to you. Now, before going further, let's take a look at some testimonials from other students and my friends who have been using my strategies and it has been working for them. All right, I hope you guys can see my screen. This first picture here, this account is kind of blurry. Yes, I recording the meeting. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, no problem. I will send a recording. All right, if you look here, okay. If you look here, you can see that this is account was a $10 account. This person grew this account from $10 to $100 in one day. Here, this is saying after going through some of the records you made during the webinar, I applied your pattern and was amazed by its outcome. I started with $46 and grew to $300. This is a very big account. This is one of my mentors trading with lot size and making thousands of dollars on this forex market. And this person said, I made $50 yesterday. This other person said, first trade I took using your analysis gave me 165 USD. I'm grateful to God for your efforts to make forex simple. And this person has already made like from 200 to 290, and that's about $90 in one day. So forex is going to change your life for the better, honestly speaking. All right, and these are just a few of the results from profitable traders. Now, this is unique. This person is a total newbie. She's somebody from my last session, from the last webinar we had. She started trading with runs her own business, okay, her market stuff business. So she barely has time for trading. But look at here. This is April 30, this is 11:43 a.m. She had already deposited like in the account. This was her first trade. And look at after she closed that trade, same day at 1:39 p.m., she made $13. And she has traded only like or three times. And look here, this is May 20, about 4 days ago. She has made $31, and this is somebody who doesn't have time for trading. She's making money off forex trading while just doing her business and her life basically. I would love for her to you guys, but she's not here currently. So let's just move on to the next part of this meeting. So part-time method. The copy and paste system, copy trading, enables users to link their trading accounts to those of signal providers. It works anywhere, anytime, no matter where you live. All you need is an internet connection, trading capital, and a smartphone. It's very simple. You just need your internet connection, your daily, weekly, or monthly data subscription, your trading capital. You have to actually use real money to trade to earn real money. And then your smartphone. You don't need a laptop for this, okay? Then, now I want us to dive deeper into what we're here for, because I have to introduce my partner. I didn't do that in the beginning. So, I would like to introduce you to my co-host and venerable speaker, one of my mentors, a top-rated cream of the crop forex expert, and a big boy in the game. He has over 5 years of experience navigating the financial market, and he stands as a beacon of excellence in the trading world. His journey has been one of determination and sheer grit, and he has amassed a wealth of achievements that speak volumes about his expertise, including outperforming markets benchmarks, pioneering innovative trading strategies, developing a team of young forex enthusiasts who rely on him for support. I'm one of them, hands up. and trading for prominent prop firms and profiting by more than $30,000 for himself. He's an excellent leader and one of the kindest people I know in this industry who has guided me through the true and true. His name is none other than Mr. Solomon Abraham. And I would like him to speak in depth about forex trading so that you guys can benefit from the knowledge of an expert. All right, I'll let him take on from here now. Thank you, guys.
Right, so can you hear me?
Yes, his
Can
mic.
you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Alright, so first of all, I want to say thank you, um, lovely sister.
Please mute your mic.
Can you listen to me then?
Okay, let's.
Alright, thank you very much. Okay, so I want to appreciate sister Nina, right? So she has really done well. And also want to appreciate everyone for joining this call, this webinar. It's in fact you guys you are amazing people. Yes. The first thing in life is making decisions, you understand? So because the decision you make is what will make you to be a better person, right? So I want to say congratulations again. I want to say congratulations for honestly speaking, you will be able to attention and all the instructions here telling you nothing but the truth that success is yours, right? So without wasting most of your time, this meeting is supposed to be for just 1 hour. So without wasting most of your time, let's go to the main business. And I want to say thank you, sister, that proper introduction, right? So there's no point coming up to do another introduction, right? So without wasting much of the time, I'll be sharing my screen with you. I'll be sharing my screen with you. I'll be sharing my screen with you. And then see my screen.
Yes,
Okay, no problem. To come up now. Okay, what about now?
we can.
I just want to be sharing my screen. Alright, so thank you very much. Okay, the question I want to ask is this. Anyone, apart from the host, has anyone tried trading before? Any form of trading? Yeah, I just want this to be an interactive section. Has anyone done any form of trading before? Okay, this is something. Alright, so everything your time actually. So now, you are here for forex trading, right? So now, you guys might be wondering what is forex trading, or you might have heard of the word forex trading before, right? And maybe you don't have the full knowledge of what forex trading is, right? So now, I'll explain it for you in a simpler form. Forex trading simply means, thank you very much. Forex trading simply means, how will I put it, trading a different currency, right? Just to make profit. You understand? That is just like plain English, right? Then let me give you the full definition of trading, apart from the main English I just used now. So now, the word for trading is a global financial market, right? Where currency are being traded, right? That is just what I said. Forex trading is just all about trading currency pairs, different currency, right? So now, let me give you an example. For example, Donna, thank you for joining. Thank you. I really appreciate you. So please, whoever that is coming in, just mute your mic so we will not be distracted, right? So, for example, I will use this very good example. For example, you want to travel to the US, right? You want to travel to the US, and for example, you have 10 million naira in your app. You want to travel to the US. You go to the airport and you are being asked to change your naira to US because you can't go and spend naira in the US, right? You can't do naira in the US. So you're asked to change your naira to US dollars at the airport, right? You always need the change, right? So now you get to the airport and you want to go from the change, you want to change your Nigerian currency to US dollars, right? So now 10 million naira is what happened to you, and the current rates for dollar about when you want to change it was, let me just say maybe it was around let me say 1,260 something, right? When you want to change it, let me just say 1,269. Then you want to change your naira to dollar. You took 10,000, 10 million naira, I mean to say, then 10 million naira at the rate of 1,269. You change it to the US dollar and it gave you $7,800, right? So now, maybe due to some situation, something you're not able to travel again, you're not able to go for your journey again, and the flight was cancelled, right, due to one or two circumstances, right? So the flight was cancelled, and you still have a US dollar with you that you've already changed, close to $7,800, and in Nigeria you have US dollars, right? Then you want to change it back to naira. So now, if you want to change your USD back to Naira, the exchange rate has gone to 1,300, right? So now, if we quickly do the maths, we have $7,800. Then we want to change it to Naira at the rate of 1,300. Remember, when we changed our Naira first to dollar, it was at the rate of 1,269. Now we want to change it now at the rate of 1,300, right? So now, the total value of that 10 million you had with you before is now 10,244,000 naira, right? Because the exchange rate has gone up. So we all know about the exchange rate in Nigeria. Everybody are complaining about the dollar rising. Honestly speaking, only the forex traders are not really complaining about the exchange rate of the country, how naira is going up, how dollar is going up, naira is falling. Only the forex traders don't complain about that. So the thing is, you have made extra 244 thousand naira because every day, every minute, the first market, the interest rates keep changing. That is what Forex is all about. Forex is all about trading the financial market, right? In order to make profits, selling and buying currencies in order to make profit. That is what dollar trading simply means. So now, it is one of the largest markets in the world. Understand me? It's one of the mixed market. The reason why it is called liquidated is because it has a massive amount of buyers sellers at the same time. People are transacting, they are buying, they are selling. Understand? In a day, the forex market is being traded $6.6 trillion. That is the most brilliant market, right? So now the thing is, how can we take advantage of this price movement as the currency is going up, is going down? How can we take advantage of it? How can we partake and also make profit with this, right? So now, if I don't know anywhere I've changed US dollar before, and these are making people, you understand? So I do that, because I have dollars in paper cash. So now, let's go to the, they'll tell you this price is high, this price is low, this is the current price of. The question is, how can we making money also in the forex market, right? So now, that is what we are going to be sharing with you in this presentation, right? We just want to be sharing with you in this presentation, right? So, well, I'm not too fast, you understand? So now, how do the forex market work? Like people will be asking, how does for you to profit with the forex market, you have to predict the price movement of the market. You understand? You have to predict the price movement of the market. You are speculating either one currency will rise to the other or it will fall. You understand? It's either the dollar is going up today, I predict that the dollar will go up today. As soon as it go up, I cash out. I will buy this dollar and I will sell it. As soon as going down, I sell. You understand? So that is how forex trading really work. It's just all about predicting price movements. You understand? In order for you to make profits. For example, I think late last year, December, dollar down up to 1.6. And I was telling my peers, I was telling people that this dollar will, sorry, it was around 1 to then. So I was telling people that this dollar is still reach 1,500. It's still going to go up to 1,500. That I'm buying more dollar and old. Because as soon as it goes to 1.5, I'll be cashing out. You understand? And many people are not taking it. Like dollar cannot go to 1.5, right? So now, how am I able to know that dollar is going to 1.5? It's just simply technical analysis, right? It's just meaning the price movement of the market. You understand? The market is in this price today, and according to some technical analysis or some fundamental note analysis that's coming up, this is where I predict, or this is how I will be predicting the price movement. That is how forex trading simply works. And the truth is, anybody can be a forex trader. Anybody can. I've already made mention of this example. This is another great example. For example, you have a 10,000 euro at hand, right? You want to exchange it to US dollar, right? Time, the exchange rate is around 1,800, right? After the euro to dollar, you have 11,000 USD, right? So now 2 weeks later, you want to now go back and change that your US dollar to the euro back, right? So 11,800, you want to change it. Now the rate is around 1,200 and one is 2,500. So the profit of $700. That is how forex trading simply works. So now, an exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency valued against another currency. By now I understand. I know that you guys understand me better, right? So now I'm feeling like, okay, let's do something. If you're in a place, let's just chat. If you are in, send me a message. Don't tell me that yes, I'm hearing you, I'm with you. You understand? Just reply that I'm with you, I'm with you in the chat. You understand? Just reply that you are with me, and I will know that okay, we are following together. All right. Awesome, awesome. I love the interactive. Very, very, very good. I love the thing. Now that will be I'll be asking questions, you'll be answering. So I will know that you are also learning. God bless you. Let's continue. Let's continue. Awesome. An exchange rate is just simply the ratio of one currency value in another, right? So now, the rate at which this one is at a lower rate at which the other one is, right? So the price in between, the price in the want to make, right? So now, for example, the US versus the euro, that is US versus euro, the exchange.
Sorry, Mr. Abraham, we have two people's hands up. Do you guys have anything to say? Okay, please continue.
Okay, okay, okay. So like I said, euro versus the US dollar versus the many US dollar you can purchase. You understand? It's 1 euro or how many euros you can buy with $1. You understand? Currencies are always, you understand. For example, you should all know this that the US as a naira, that is what everybody is shouting, you understand? So currencies in forex trading, currencies are always in pairs, they're always in pairs. The GDP we have versus the USD, we have Japanese yen, we have the USD versus the naira, you understand? So that is how the currency are always in two, they're always in pair. This versus this, we are selling this against this. So the reason they are quoted in pairs is that in every foreign exchange transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency or selling the other, right? So, like I said before, so now only through forex. No, I said the only way to make money through forex is by predicting price movements. So now the question is how that, for example, let me because we are Nigerians, right? So now, sorry if you are not Nigerians, is if everybody here is not from Nigeria, yeah, I'm really sorry. Shout out to your country wherever you are coming from, right? So, but I'll just use Nigeria as a case study. So now the question is, here now, how do you know that dollar will be going up when you wake up? For example, the price of dollar right now is should be around 151 or something, right? Close to 1.5. So now, how do you know that it will be going up to 1.6 or 1.5 by tomorrow? So now, how will you go and get enough dollar and say, as this dollar rise up to 1.5, I'll be selling it off, then make profits, and go and buy another dollar, and sell it off and make profits. How will you know? Understand me? So now it takes intense learning. It takes comprehensive learning. Understand? It's a system whereby you need to learn. So first training is all about learning. You have to learn the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis before you be able to know price action. before you be able to know the action price is taking in the market, right? So now, if you want to start learning forex trading, it will take you around 6 to 9 months of intense learning and practice before you can begin making profits. You understand? It will take you around 6 months because everything I've said, it's a business where you don't really know. It's people will say it's gambling, some people will say it's like betting. Why? Because you don't really have the knowledge on how to predict the movement of the market, right? So now if you want to really make profit, you have to learn it for 6 months. You understand? But in our team, we know that we want to make money, right? People are not patient enough to start learning a course. You understand? From 1 to 6 or to 9 months ago, we start learning a course. That is not what anybody wants. People just want to make money, right? People just need something that will add extra income to their pocket, right? So that is why we come up with the copy and paste trading system. So what is the copy and paste trading system, right? So now the copy and paste trading system is just simply a system whereby you copy our trade. You understand? So you copy our trades that professional traders in our team will be sending out. You understand? So we have a everyday trade standards to our members. So it's just what to do is just copy the trade and trade it and make profits. So all those profits you see people making in the first slide are the people that just simply do what we ask them to do. They simply copy those trades and follow the instruction. If we say buy this, they buy. If we say sell this, they sell and they make profits. And the truth is, because we are very, very careful and we know that money is important, you understand, your hard earned money is very, very important. So we take out to analyze and give out the best trade. You understand? So if you are making money, if we are making money, you are making money. If we are losing money, you are losing money. But because we are profitable traders, our analysis is 85, because I won't want to tell you 90, I don't give you what now puts you on the side of expectation. You now be expecting something high. No. Understand? Forex trading is something you need to be careful about. So you don't want you to take 6 months learning it. You don't want you to jump into it without having knowledge of what you are going into. So that is why we are taking our time to do a webinar like this, put you through, give you trades, trade, and you learn with us. It's as simple as that. Just copy and paste it in your trading platform and you trade and make money. Isn't it exciting? It's very, very exciting. In fact, it's one of the most profiting way of making money in the forex market, right? So now don't quote me wrong. I'm not saying you should not learn it, but the truth is you can make money while learning. You understand? As you are copying our signals, you are also following courses. You understand? So it all depends on you. So now let's go to the next slide. Into forex, you understand? So I've been talking about trading, and you'll be saying, am I giving you money to trade? You understand? Will I be in charge of my accounts? How will I know? How will I know how to trade? How will I know how to copy and paste? How will I know? How will I have full ownership of my account? The truth is this: you are 100% in charge of your account. The only thing we are giving you is just a video guide. You understand? The only thing we are doing for you is just to help you. You understand? You are 100% in charge of your account. Nobody is asking you for your account password. Nobody is asking you for a PIN. Nobody is asking you for money that, okay, give us money, we will trade for you and give you profits. No, nobody is doing that. You are 100% in charge of your account. Nobody is even creating the account for you. You understand? A video guide on how to create this account will be sent to you and you go ahead and do it yourself, right? So now the recommended broker we use and we also recommend to you does not charge any fee. And that was why we partner with this broker, right? Because over the years we've traded with lots of brokers and their transaction fee, in fact, it's on the high side. For example, you are making $100, you want to withdraw your $100 and they are charging you $10 or $5. So you're not drawing around 95. But this broker we are recommending to you will give you all your profits. You understand? There's no charges. You want to create an account, it's free. You want to withdraw your money, it's free. You understand? So our broker is regulated by authorities. You understand? And there are brokers that has been in the industry. You understand? It's not all these new brokers that are coming up now. No, they've been in the industry for years. So we've been using them and they know what they are doing. They offer and no commissioner. So what do I mean? Some brokers, you can't open a trading account with a minimum capital, with a small capital, right? If you want to open an account in forex trading, you'll be having around 500, let me just say from $200 upward, right? 500, 300, and the rest. But with this broker, you can start with as little as you want to. You understand? So now the spread is not too tight. And what do I mean by spread? The spread is the charges they charge you to place a trade. You understand? The charges they charge you to place a trade. That is the spread. So now they don't charge you much. You understand? And they have no commission. You understand? They also help you maximize your trading costs. So that is why we love the broker. Alright, so now you will be asking, how can I start? You understand? Then how can I start? So what you just have to do is just register your account, right? You register your account with the recommended
This
broker
guy is
that we will
sluggish.
recommend
His
to you.
screen does
Then
not
you
load.
complete your verification. Verification is one of the most easiest thing with this broker, right? All you just need to do is just to put in your NIN slip. And I understand that everybody has this NIN paper slip, right? And your BVN. And the purpose of that is we have robots now, we have bots, you understand? So we have robots that are trading. I don't know if you people know that there are robots that are trading. So now they are not real humans now. But for you to have an this broker, you have to verify that truly you are human, right? So that is just only the purpose of verification. They want to verify that, oh, these are not robots. These are real human beings trading. And so they will ask you some few questions and they will ask you to verify your account. Once the verification is successful, you are good to go, my dear. You understand? So now we will send you video guides on risk management. So now what is risk management? Many people will be asking that, do you mean I will not lose money? Do you mean I'll just be making money? So now that is where risk management come in. Honestly, as a trader, so now the thing is, as a trader, there's how to manage risk. In fact, forex trading is the only business, right, that you will start and you'll be able to determine how much you want to lose. I don't know. Is there any other business like that? That okay, today I want to make $10. I want to lose just only $5, right? So now today I want to make $10. Tomorrow I want to make $15. It's only in forex trading, and that is where risk management comes from. So we'll be sending you this video on how to manage your risk. We'll be sending you another video on how to start trading and making profits. You understand? So now everything you need to know is just to master the strategy, master the entry and the exit strategy. Since will be sent to them. Master the risk management will be sent to you. Also master your psychology for you to be a successful trader. You understand me? Okay, so now before I bring this up, okay, then the minimum is $30. You understand me? And it's only with this broker you will be seeing me. So now the minimum capital is just $30 for you to start trading. You understand? You have as much as 50, 100, 300, but the minimum to start with is $30, right? So now you'll be looking at it like, okay, $30, right? How can I start? The thing is this. I always tell people that the only thing in life is just to start. If you did not start, you won't know how far you can go, right? So now, if assuming your host here, which is Elena, assuming she did not take up this opportunity, the first time that it was being introduced to her, she will be here today telling you about forex trading and how it has helped change her life, right? So now $30 is nothing much, nothing compared to how much you make. You understand? Why trading? You understand? So that is just it. If you not start, you won't have much or how far you can go, right? So that is, I think, let me just this is where I'll be stopping actually. And if you have any question or let me answer some questions you'll be needed to ask. People will be asking that, okay, why is it free? You understand? Say it's completely free. You just only need your capital. Why is it free? All right. So let me tell you why it is free. Let me tell you why it is free now. The reason why it is free is because our community, you understand, and Benny Gold Trade is on a mission to help people find consistent source of income at no cost. You understand? Honestly speaking, okay, let me use myself as an example. When I want to start learning forex trading years ago, I paid let me say I paid $120 to have access to a full forex trading course. You understand? With a mentor. You understand? $120. Then dollar is around 140. It's not now actually. I'm not talking about now. Dollar is around 140 per $1. So it's wrong amount. So what I'm trying to say is we can also charge for this, right? We can also charge people for this. But what is the point? You understand? We're on a mission to make sure that people also have consistent source of income. You understand? People also become successful. You understand? That is why we said, okay, let's bring this initiative up, help people. Let's doubt what we know, you understand? So now, that is why it is completely free. Then, second one, why it is completely free is because, our partner broker is also sponsoring, now, you understand? So, our partner broker knows about it and they sponsor it, right? They also pay us for doing this. Let me just tell you now, they also pay us for doing this. So there's no point in we paying again. Understand? They pay us for us to be a partner to tell people the benefits, understand how Forex has helped us, and they also want us to help people. So we say, okay, let me pay. That is why it's also completely free. And all what you just need is just your trading capital. That's all. Understand? So now, why trade Forex? Forex is not a get rich quick scheme, right? But rather it's a system that is proper guidance and willingness to follow instruction. You'll be able to make money, you understand, without making any noise. You understand me? Like I said before, it's if you follow all the instruction that is being said here, either by your coach, your mentor, by daily gold, you'll be able to make much money, you understand? So now, forex trading, why forex trading again is because forex trading is always open every day, 24 hours, 5 days. So there is no day you can't trade forex trading. Understand? You can't trade the financial market. It's always open every day. Alright, so now, when you are a broker, I've told you this before, because of instant withdrawal, right? And free withdrawal, fast and reliable executions, transparent pricing history, access to the global market, and 24/7 customer support. If you have any issue, you can reach us. You understand? You can reach Money Gold. And if you feel like you want to speak with your broker, you have access to them 24/7, right? So now, even if you master if you're making money, no, you don't need to master first. All what you need to master is the course that will be sent to you on how to open accounts, how to copy and trade, copy and paste trade in platform, and your risk management, right? That is just all what you need. And your trading capital. You don't need to sit on your laptop and start analyzing the market, start thinking where is the price go. No, you don't need all those things because it will take you 6 months. So what you need is just a copy and paste system. That's all you need. Copy and to paste it and to make money. Understand? So now, how to get started? To get started is to understand. Open an account, verify your account, send the minimum of $30. Then you send a screenshot to us. Understand? You send a screenshot to us. Honestly, without sending the screenshot, without sending proof of account creation, you will be added to the group. Mentorship is being going. You will be added to the group where we send signals. You will be added to our VIP groups. So you just take a screenshot of your account and you send us. And what will you get? You get free beginners guide trading, the full edition that will guide you what you need to know about forex trading. You have access to our trading community and you will be able to know how to copy and paste our trading signals. You will also have access to the VIP trading signals and you will be able to make money as you are learning, like I said before. And there are lots more other things you can get, like quiz, right? And a lot more. So it's something worth it. You understand? For $30, it's something you should give a try. You understand? So what is next? What is next is to send a DM. Understand? If you're okay, how can I get this? How can I join? How can I start trading? How can I start doing the forex trading? What you do to start is just send a DM to Benny Gold. You understand? She will send you all the information you need, all the trading account information you need, or you can simply send a DM to this that same year, right? And you are good to go. So you need to take action. You need to take action. Without action, without taking action, so now testimonies that you saw at the first slide are testimonies of people that took action, right? They are testimonies of people that took action and they never regretted their action. So it's your turn. If you want to share testimony, if you want to be among them, it's your turn. All right. So I'll be coming to the end of the um tomorrow. So if you have a question, if you have time, if you have questions, it is now time for you to ask your questions. So I'll be handing over to Benny Gold. Please just help me give a clapping for any gold, Benny Gold as you come.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Abraham. I really appreciate your
You're
presence in
welcome.
this meeting. All right, please ask your questions. Please ask your questions. We have just um 8 minutes and we'll be done. Does anyone have any question to ask us? So I can see someone's hands up. Please ask your question if you have a question to ask. Or maybe if you're not clear on what we've discussed in the meeting, then please just send me a DM. I'll be happy, more than happy. I'll be delighted. I'll be glad to answer your questions. Okay, that's why I'm here. I will guide you through this process. Anything you need to know, I'll be here to assist you. So please ask your questions before the time runs out. So that means you guys understand everything we talked about today. We are okay with what we've learned today. Yes? Yes, please, Sir Team, you can ask your question. Unmute your mic and ask your question, please. Sir Team, unmute your mic and ask your question. Or Splash Bucci, please unmute your mic, ask your question, please, so that I can hear you. I can't hear you. All right. Good evening. Yes. Your background is noisy. Sorry?
Please, can you be more audible so that I can hear you?
Okay, my question is, I overheard you like there is a trading community where you, I don't know, there's a way you can connect your account
Share
so that
signals. Yeah.
whenever, can you
Yes.
hear me?
I can hear you.
So trade is being placed, then you can also copy and trade too.
Yes.
So I want to know, is it something that is going to come after this class, or it's a process while we still grow up in learning? I just want to know.
All right. So to answer your question, what you need to do is, we're chatting on WhatsApp number, and we're chatting. I sent you the process to register your account. So after you've registered your account, you've deposited into your account your trading capital, then we'll move you to our trading community on Telegram, where you'll be getting daily signals Monday to Friday every week. Okay, so that's how it works. You have to, trade with a real account. We'll add you to our trading community where you'll be getting signals on a daily basis from Monday to Friday, because those are the trading, that's when the market is open. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, that answered my question.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Thank you for your question. What about Satim? Is he here? Please ask your question if you're here. Does anyone have their question to ask? Please ask me. Oh, we have 3 more minutes. All right. Let me give my vote of thanks since we're done with the meeting today. I just want to appreciate all of you for being here today. I really want to say thank you and for making it possible, because I know some people, they would have loved to be here, but maybe because of some circumstances or events that they didn't plan for happen to them. So I really appreciate you guys for being here, for taking the time. And I want to say a very, very massive thank you to Mr. Abraham for taking his time. He's a very busy guy, oh, and he took his time out to be here today to share his knowledge with you. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you every time for coming through. God bless you for being here, and God bless you all. I really, really appreciate it. I just want to start and make sure you guys know. Thank you so much. All right, bye.
All right, thank you very much. Bye.